Welcome to Alton Towers, the day before the 2025 season begins. And I'm getting early access rides on Toxicator. That's so cool. Thank you so much to Alton Towers for inviting me out. This is part of the Alton Towers content creator program and I'm so excited to be on it. So thank you everyone who watches these videos for making stuff like this happen. I'm so excited to get on this ride. It looks awesome. Thank you again to Alton Towers for making this possible. Let's do it. We're in the roller coaster restaurant currently. Got a goodie bag. How cool is this? Toxicator t-shirt, little badge, drink in there. We've got a notebook, a mug, and some ponchos. I'm slightly concerned now. Nice Nemesis pen. Slightly concerned about the ponchos. I am all GoPro'd up, including the wrist mount, which has been duct taped to my hand. Never had that happen before. Pretty cool though. It's nice and secure at least. Here we go, Toxicator. Oh, it looks so good. Wow. It's so much bigger in person. That's crazy. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. I'm going to the gift shop first, I think, to have a look at the merch. But I really can't wait to ride. Don't know how wet it'll be today, but there is the detox dryers, which is interesting. Oh, it looks amazing. A quick look at the merch as well. Got some nice bottles. Incredible Nemesis model again. I know it's not new, but it's cool. Some nice mugs, shot glasses, magnets. Oh, that hat's nice. I might have to get that hat. I like a good hat. There is so much stuff. Oh, it's awesome.
System failure detected. Radiation interfered.
Got some cool hats. Should we try the hat on? They're very nice. It's embroidered as well. It looks absolutely mad. I'm so excited for it. First rides are going on. Some really cool screens up the side. They were talking about how these were bespokely made and flown in. Really cool. I'm excited to see them actually in motion as the ride goes. Splash hazard, is that going to get us wet? And then that amazing Toxicator sign as well. That looks amazing. I love that sign. I want that on my wall. There is some green ooze. Oh, it looks so good. There's barrels everywhere. And have a quick look at the entrance while I'm here. Oh, it looks so good. Theming is incredible.
Code red.
Alex, command to Nemesis.
Oh, wow. Genuinely lost for words. It's incredible. It's absolutely huge as well. This is the tunnel. The tunnel is so cool. I didn't expect it to be this themed. Like, oh, I'm already getting draped on. It's so well themed. It's amazing. I'm also stood in the splash zone. I don't know how much you're actually going to get wet on this. I'm assuming quite a bit because that's great and not a solid floor. Oh, there's already water on the floor. Yeah, you're definitely going to get wet on this. That might explain why they gave us ponchos in the gift bag. I can't get over how good this area looks. It looks like it's always been here. It's kind of mad. It just blends in really nicely. It's going. First time I've actually seen it move in person. This is awesome. Oh, look at the water effects. And the screens too. Oh, wow. They're hanging around for a while. I think it's about to spin. Oh, wow. The size of it is so big. The audio is synced up with the ride experience too. Oh, wow. Some worried faces on there. Wow, okay, it spins a lot. There's quite a few of us recording. That looked amazing. We are going in. I am so excited for this. We're going in.
5 lockdown stations. Lab staff are to initiate containment protocols.
This is so cool. Nice wheelchair accessible lift as well. Great to see. The towers are huge. Loads of extra theming around. Wow. They have gone all out on this. Look at that. The look at the main queue line for the ride. Pretty decent queue, to be fair. Lovely view of Nemesis. And then here we are. This is crazy. Got the numbers on the floor as well. The water effects. Oh, this is so cool. We're going. We're going. I will see you on the ride. Oh, we're going. Whoa! Oh, the views are amazing. Wow. Uh-oh. We're going. It's so smooth. Oh. Oh no, the waterfalls. Wow, they're very close. We're going. Whee! Right up at the top now. This is an amazing view. We're about to start flipping, I think. Oh no. Whoa! 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 Oh, it's so fun! Go around again. Oh, he's locked. Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa! Whee! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh, we're going again. Okay. Whee! Whoa! Wait, a lovely breeze. Wow. That was amazing. I love that. Wow. I mean, that was really crazy. I don't normally like top spins. I was talking to people before. The only one I've done is Toxicator at Fantasyland. Didn't really like it. Too intense, but I was quite sleep deprived at the time. That was amazing. It's so good. Yeah, that was really crazy. I'm completely obsessed now. I love it. I like top spins. I never thought I'd say that, but it's so just good. Going under the tunnel to get some nicer views of the other side of the ride. Look at that. It's such a cool drawing. The tunnel itself is like really well themed. I mean, I'm not surprised because Alton Towers like theming is immaculate anyway, but oh, it just looks so good. Project Ocean there, some nice stats and everything. Like, look at this theming. I would have never expected us to get anything like this. It's absolutely mad. I'm so impressed. Let's look at all the queue line as well. Refining the future, apparently. It's just so impressive. I love it. There is definitely water coming down here, so I'm assuming over the summer those water effects are going to be even more crazy. Look at all the drawings as well. This is so cool. I did not expect this amount of detail. It's all UV paint as well. That is crazy. I love it. There's a lot of extended queue down here. Tomorrow is going to be a very busy day. Like, even just how well it integrates into this area up here. Like, I remember just walking down here like sometime last year and there was nothing here, and now there's just a massive top spin. It's crazy. Like, they've built this so quickly. Nemesis saliva. Oh, it's so good. So that is Alton Towers' new ride, Toxicator, done with, and that was so cool. I absolutely love that. Really, really happy with the new addition to Alton Towers. Gonna be honest, didn't expect to like it as much as I did because I don't really like top spins too much, but that was something special. The theming and just the whole atmosphere around it was so good. Really hope I get to go back on it tomorrow, which I will be vlogging, opening day. That'll be the next video up. Really excited to that. Again, thank you so much for Alton Towers for inviting me to this. It was really, really cool and I've enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.